You've looked at these laundry pods 1,000 times, but you probably missed the one symbol that changes everything about how you wash your clothes. Most of us are using way too much, and it's not just ruining your clothes. It's actually building up a hidden layer of bacteria inside your machine. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what those symbols actually mean and the one mistake that's costing you hundreds in hidden laundry damage. That will make you say, "I didn't know that." Do you actually believe your washing machine is making your clothes clean? Or is it secretly making them filthier? You use these laundry pods and detergents every single day, but have you ever looked at the science hidden inside them? The biggest laundry myth. Most of us grew up believing a simple rule: more detergent equals cleaner clothes. But modern washing machines are designed to work with surprisingly small amounts of detergent. When too much detergent is used, the machine may struggle to rinse it all away. Instead of helping, excess detergent can leave residue behind on fabrics and inside parts of the machine. Over time, this buildup can trap dirt, odors, and moisture. The hidden symbols. Now take a look at the back of almost any detergent bottle. You'll notice a collection of tiny symbols and instructions that most people never read. These symbols aren't decorations. They're designed to help you use the product safely and effectively. Some indicate proper dosage. Others provide environmental warnings, storage information, or safety instructions. Manufacturers spend a lot of time testing these products, yet many users skip these instructions completely. Why clothes not clean? If detergent residue remains in fabric, clothes can sometimes feel stiff, heavy, or less fresh than expected. And if residue builds up inside the machine itself, it can contribute to unpleasant smells over time. That's why many appliance manufacturers recommend occasional cleaning cycles and careful detergent measurement. Ironically, using less detergent can sometimes produce better results than using more. The secret of brighter clothes. Have you ever wondered why freshly washed white clothes often appear brighter? Many detergents contain ingredients called optical brighteners. These ingredients don't necessarily remove additional dirt. Instead, they help fabrics reflect light in a way that makes them appear brighter to our eyes. It's a clever bit of chemistry that many people never notice. What you should actually do. So what's the takeaway? Read the instructions. Measure detergent carefully. Don't assume more is better. And pay attention to those small symbols on the bottle that most people ignore. Because sometimes the biggest laundry mistake isn't the detergent itself, it's how we use it. And now you'll never look at your laundry detergent the same way again. If you learned something new today, comment and subscribe for more hidden truths about the everyday things around us.